Philippines, Namaste India, Bimbo Corner of Flags. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share. Allah.
Hello. Happy Sunday to everyone. Last week we done English challenge and our viewers, they really like it, they enjoy it. So today straight away I will go to topic. We are doing today a spelling challenge. So guys, it is requested by our viewer and we respect to our viewers. Yes. So we will do spelling and it go in 3 phases. Okay. So let's see what are the spelling, because last week I think so Karthik performed very good.
They like it.
Yes, he done very good job for English. So what we will do, first we will start competition between Karthik and Bimbo. So it is just warm up challenge. Yes, okay. Little English spelling and you have to do. Okay guys, so see you with Karthik and Bimbo. Yeah. So guys, these two guys are ready. Today Karthik or Bimbo.
Yeah. Okay, so Karthik, may the best man win. Yeah? Good luck.
Good luck.
Wish you good luck.
Wish you good luck. Karthik look very excited like last time. So let's see guys. Your time start now. Okay. So first your spelling is culture.
Culture.
Big handwriting, Karthik, so our viewer can see.
Yes, I know.
Okay guys, look, Shana is supporting daddy. You finished, Karthik?
Yeah.
Okay Karthik, can you spell the culture please? You spell
C-A-L-T-U-R-E.
Oh my god!
What is answer?
C-A-L-T-U-R-E. Culture.
Let's see.
How about Bimbo?
Culture, yeah?
Yes.
C-U-L-T-U-R-E.
Oh, can you turn it? Oh, culture. Bimbo is correct.
Karthik is letter A, yeah?
Yeah, I think so. That is called culture. Culture. It's alright. It's just beginning. One is Bimbo and you're zero.
I thought you got challenge. If Karthik win, you will give prize to Karthik.
Karthik, come on. If you win, you have
No problem.
you have secret prize from me, guys. So please, your sister. please.
Number 2.
Okay. Second one is anaconda.
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 Do you know the spelling of anaconda, Nina? Oh my God.
Shania, don't speak what daddy is writing. Karthik is very busy. Seema, do you think Karthik will win this time?
I think.
Mom, who will win?
I don't know. My spelling is
You don't know? Mom, who will win? Karthik or Bimbo? Karthik or Bimbo? Bimbo.
I don't know the spelling as well.
Okay. So Karthik, it's your time. Are you ready?
Ready.
Spelling. So you spell for me please anaconda.
A-N-A-C-O-N-D-A.
Okay, let's turn. Anaconda.
I think so.
Okay.
But
Let's
I
see.
don't know. I'm not sure as well. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Now it's turn of Bimbo. Can you spell?
My spelling is just simple. A-N-A-C-O-N-D-A. Anaconda. Yeah.
So let's see guys, who is the winner? Bimbo, you are getting 2 points.
2-0 now, Karthik. 2-0.
2-0.
You got prize. Come on.
Karthik, please.
Okay.
Now third spelling is awkward. Awkward. I feel awkward.
Alright.
Awkward.
Oh my God, this spell is difficult. Awkward. Yeah?
Awkward. I feel awkward.
I don't know the spelling of word. Wait, yeah?
Karthik, write down like this with big handwriting.
Okay.
So our viewers can see.
I got to do the spelling.
Bimbo is struggling. Are you struggling? Let's see. Yeah, you have to. Once you finish, guys, you have to turn. No.
1 minute.
Karthik is taking time. He feel awkward maybe.
1 minute.
Oh my god, oh my god. No dad, no cheating, huh? Don't help Bimbo. Bimbo is struggling as well.
Awkward.
Okay.
Okay.
A-C-U
W-A-R-D.
That is
Awkward.
awkward. Okay, awkward.
This is
Okay.
awkward.
Alright, from me.
Awkward.
Now Bimbo,
Me
you.
is just ACKWRARD.
This is
So
wrong.
both are wrong this time.
What is the
Dad will tell.
AWKWARD?
A
WKWARD.
awkward.
Okay.
So Dad help them. Dad, you are right. They both are not passes.
2-0, yeah?
Yes.
So
Now.
how many more? How many more? 2 more, yeah?
Yes, only 5 spelling I will give you. Okay. So fourth one is very easy. Religion.
Religion.
What religion you belong to?
Okay, yeah.
I'm just giving spelling which is we are using every day of our life, like culture, awkward, religion. Religion. What religion you following?
Your religion.
Like, are you Christian, Hindu,
Do you think my
Muslim?
spelling is correct?
Oh,
Huh?
You don't
you don't know.
Really?
Seema is looking as well. They are doing
1
good or
minute.
no? Oh my God! 1 minute, 1 minute.
5 seconds left.
Karthik, we are running out the time, huh? Oh, so done, Karthik?
Yeah.
Or you still want to wipe it? He's still confused. So, guys, can you turn your answer, please? Religion.
Not this one.
R-I-L-E-G-T-I-O-N. Religion. Okay, let's see your spelling.
Ask Karthik if he is very good.
Religion. Not Jason.
What is
What
this?
is this?
T-I-O-N. Religion.
Are you confident your answer?
You are confident?
Yeah.
Very confident?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see Bimbo.
Religion.
You turn it.
Religion. R-E-L-I-G-I-O-N.
Oh, Bimbo is right. Oh my God, Karthik.
3-0. 3-0.
I will not prepare curry for you now.
Karthik still 0. One more, Karthik.
One.
Last.
You can score 1. Yeah?
Last,
one,
okay?
yeah? Guys, last one. Let's see, Karthik. Karthik,
Okay.
Go, Karthik, go.
Fine.
Last,
Correct, Nina. Well correct.
yes.
Okay.
Our fifth one is, guy, nationality. Like
Oh my
Bimbo,
God.
like Bimbo is from which nationality? I am from nationality. Shania, you okay? Good girl.
T.
Nina, look at our answer. Do you think this is correct? Huh?
Nationality.
Liti.
Say, go, Karthik.
Go, Karthik. Go, Karthik. Go, Karthik.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Turn straight away. Nationality.
T. L-I-T-Y.
L-I-T-Y. N-I.
T-Y.
T-I. Nationality. Your spelling. Nationality. Yes. So both are correct.
Correct.
Both are correct. At least Karthik got one. Mom is very happy. And Seema is very happy.
Karthik got one answer. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Score is 4-1.
One. Bimbo win 4. and you are 1.
So what is your surprise gift if Kartik won?
Kartik, I don't want to surprise you now. It was surprise gift. Let's see another challenge.
Another challenge.
Okay. So hello guys, we are ready for second challenge. Are you boys ready?
Yes.
Boys is ready. We are going to give you tough time. Dad, little bit favor to us, please.
Nina, who do you think will win this second challenge?
Daddy or
Mommy or Daddy? Really? Okay, let's see.
Let's see. So
Okay.
Dad,
Who will win?
My
Daddy or Sima?
your daddy or him? Oh,
Okay, Dad, let's start the first word.
okay, that you give
I
us.
start with the first word is that. Beautiful.
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 Oh my God, beautiful is very deep. Really?
We done almost.
Okay, so who will do first, Dad?
Who will
Okay, ladies first. Ladies first.
Always ladies first.
Okay, ladies
Okay,
first.
first time.
Pick. What is
What is your spelling?
Our spelling is Kartik Newton.
Beautiful.
Over is beautiful.
Ah, yeah, this one is correct. A-N-U. So it's 1-0. 1 for girls and 0 for boys. Okay. Second word.
second word is that. Electronics.
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 Electronics. Oh, that is long word.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. So you spell first now. Last time you
Okay,
spell.
Dad, will you tell the first, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
ELECTRONICS.
Yay! How about the girls?
Sima.
ELECTRONICS.
Electronics. So
Alright.
0 versus
2-1. No,
2-1.
2-1. This is correct.
Okay, 2-1.
Okay. You can coach Sima, I
Yes,
can coach
yes.
Kartik.
Third word is independent.
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 And
Time up.
Time up.
Okay, ready? You do first.
INDIPENDENT. Independent.
D-I.
DI.
Oh my God, I think we are wrong.
So
Our spelling is INDIPENDENT.
Independent.
Correct.
This right.
Bimbo is correct.
independent.
Then.
Oh guys, it's difficult. You are correct as well. You are
Independent.
So
Yeah.
that is good, guys.
Okay, yeah.
So this
Okay,
is
Kartik,
important.
Yes,
We
ready.
still have chance. 2 more words. Yeah, 2 more words. Okay,
Yes.
Dad.
That. What is the
Next one. University.
University.
deep into university?
Oh my God.
No.
Okay, yeah, we are ready. We are ready. We are ready. Can we do first?
Yes. If you're not confident, you speak with your partner.
He's not confident, but I think this is
He's
sure.
telling me,
Yeah?
I think so.
University.
Yes.
Because Kartik wants C.
Yes.
But I said S.
Ah.
Okay? UNIBERSITY. University. Yeah, I know.
University. UNIBERSITY. University.
So it's 4-3.
4-3. Yes.
Okay, we still have a chance.
Now the word is the national flag.
National flag.
What's that?
National flag.
These 2 words.
Yes.
National flag. National flag is 2 words, yeah?
So
Okay, you do first. Well, we do first. We do first.
okay.
We do first.
You look very confident.
Alright. National flag. Yeah, that is the correct one. NATIONLFALG. You can see here, national flag. How about that? No, don't tell this dialogue. Now you do. Let's see if this is correct. How about yours?
My one is NATIONALFLAG.
Correct. We are correct as well, yeah?
Yeah, national flag. Yes, let me see if you're cheating.
So
we both are
the score is 5-4.
So we are
Girls win. Girls win.
Thank you, Dad, for your.
Thank you, Dad. Yeah, thank you,
Thank you, Dad, for preparing spelling for us, giving your time. So guys, I'm happy to say this is the third part of the challenge.
Okay.
And it is going to little bit tough for you guys. Karthik, ready? Ready? Okay. So guys, your spelling start now. First one is flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingo is a bird. Dad, no. Do you know what is Karthik? Flamingo?
Flamingo, yeah.
Yes. So they are writing. So
let me
straight away you.
finish. Dad finish?
Yes.
Okay, let me do first.
First, yes.
Flamingo. This is bird?
Bird, flamingo.
No, that is bird. Okay, my spelling is FLAMIGMNGO.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Let's see. Because if I tell, Karthik will correct.
Karthik is not.
That is FLAMINGO. Karthik, you still writing? FLAM Mingo. Flamingo. FLA. So three of you winner. So guys, it is second word for you. Are you ready?
Ready?
So write down, guys. Backyard.
Backyard. Okay.
Backyard. Backyard. They are taking time, guys. Ready? So let's see your spelling first.
My spelling is BAKYARD.
BAK.
Backyard.
Backyard. Oh my God. Let's see.
How about that?
Dad.
Dad.
Oh my God. Dad, write down BACKYARD. Backyard. Yeah. Oh my God. Let's see. Backyard. I don't understand. What is your spelling, Karthik? BARLAD?
Yeah.
Barlad.
Alright.
I'm
So,
sorry.
how correct? Who's correct?
I'm sorry to say, guys. 3 of you not correct. I'm so sorry to say.
So, what is the correct spelling of backyard?
Back means BACK. Back.
BACK.
And yard is YARD. Backyard. I'm sorry to say this, guys. Okay, third one is duplicate. Duplicate. He is my duplicate, or he is making duplication, like duplicate. Duplicate. Yeah, Karthik, you spell.
What is the spell?
Do you spell it?
You
Because
spell Karthik.
duplicate.
Oh, cat.
Okay.
Duplicate.
DUPLICAT. Duplicate. Okay.
Duplicate.
So
How
that
about
Nah.
DUPLICATE. Let's see that you answer.
Duplicate. DUPLICATE.
Oh, so Dad and Bimbo is the winner. Karthik, what is going on?
Score is 2-2 and Karthik is
0.
0.
No.
1-1.
One first.
2-2-1.
Yes. So Nervous guy, nervous. Write down nervous.
Nervous.
Yes.
Nervous.
Nervous. I'm nervous. Karthik is always telling I'm nervous to speak English.
But
But nervous.
Nervous, yeah?
Nervous.
Oh dear, I don't
Not
know.
nervous. Nervous.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nervous.
Nervous. Nervous. Oh my god.
I don't know.
They're nervous.
correct.
NAR. Nervous. Oh my god. Let's
Okay,
see.
I'm best to try. I don't know.
Nervous. Let's see, guys, who is right. So, guys, none of you is right. I'm sorry to say that. You are nearly. You done good job. NERVOUS. Nervous.
No
But you-
I.
No I. Yes.
No I, nervous.
Yes, because I said to you, I'm nervous. So, fifth one is, guys, last
The
one.
last one, yeah? The last
Yes,
one.
so competition, who is the winner will be decided between Bimbo and Dad. Karthik is little bit far. So, Antarctica.
Antarctica. Oh dear. I
Antarctica.
think this is a continent, yeah?
Yes,
Continent.
continent.
Antarctica.
Antarctica. Antarctica. Antarctica. I'm trying to help you guys. Antarctica. Mom is helping Dad. Mom, you should participate. Karthik is still too much long spelling going on. So, Dad, your turn first.
Now that
Right.
Antarctica.
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 Let's see, Karthik.
Antarctica.
And
You say Antarctica.
Antarctica. Okay,
You
let's
say
see.
Antarctica.
Yeah.
Okay.
I say
Antarctica. Antarctica. Let's
How about
see.
this one, yeah? My answer is this. Antarctica.
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 So I check it and the spelling is ANTARC. You don't write down C. TICK. That's why I said Antarctica.
What is the K? This is wrong.
So guys, there is still tie.
You can give one more word. So who will win to me and Dad? If
You-
want, yeah?
Okay, so guys, there is a tie between Bimbo and Dad.
Okay.
Karthik, you just take rest for little while.
Okay.
So last spelling I will give you easy one. Yes.
Yeah, so let's see who will win this, yeah? Are you ready, Dad? Okay.
Helicopter. Helicopter. You know, helicopter is landing.
Yeah.
Private helicopter.
Helicopter, yeah?
Helicopter.
I pronounce this helicopter.
Helicopter.
Heli.
What we said, Mom? Helicopter or helicopter?
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Yes. Okay.
Helicopter. HELECOPTER.
Let's see, Bimbo. You look confident.
I don't know.
HELEPTER. Helicopter.
It's F or P.
So, Dad, what is your spelling? HALICOPTER. I'm sorry, guys, to say both are wrong. Yes. And the spelling of helicopter is HELI, heli. COPTER.
It should be
Helicopters.
Alright.
So, none of you winners. So, guys,
Last
here.
one.
Are you sure?
Last one. Because who knows?
Okay.
Okay, that just last one, yeah? Last one.
Are you ready, Dad?
Yeah.
That.
So, let's see, guys. They are
If
preparing.
we are both correct or wrong, so that's it.
That's
It means
it.
our brain is safe. Okay, Dad.
So, let's see, guys. What is the last one? Okay. Write down the word library.
Library.
Library, where you go for to read.
Study or
Study.
Okay, library. So my spelling for library is Library.
Let's see. Where is your spelling? Library.
And correct.
Library.
Correct.
Library. Karthik, this time you win.
Okay, lad. Congratulations.
Congratulations, both.
3-3, yeah?
3-3.
Okay.
Yes, so you are the winner, guys. So thank you for coming here, mom and dad. Yes, guys, we thoroughly enjoyed this challenge and we spent good time with family. Guys, this is Happy Sunday Challenge Day for us. As we family, we enjoy thoroughly. Hope you have good time with your family as well. We have lots of fun and laugh. Please support to Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs and don't forget to follow us Insta and Facebook page. Subscribe to us. More views.